Welcome to Rediscover Nature, Adaptation, and Resilience. An immersive journey into the evolving story of Gujarat and the enduring power of nature. Walk through the Gujarat Timeline, tracing centuries of change, innovation, and perseverance. Witness the forces of nature come alive through kinetic sculptures and vivid projections that move with wind, water, and earth. Explore the science of natural forces, where interaction turns into understanding through dynamic tables, glass panels, and immersive soundscapes. Beneath your feet, the Allah Bund floor projection reveals how time reshapes land and life. Resin models tell stories of survival, while the Bhunga installation celebrates traditional wisdom, architecture that endures and belongs. Through block printing, experience the art of adaptation, where creativity and culture mirror resilience. Here, every exhibit reminds us, nature adapts, life persists, and in every challenge, we rediscover strength.